If you want to look red carpet ready at any age, and who doesn't, you'll want to meet our next guest right here. This beautiful woman, Dr. Ann Hermann from Hermann Wellness, is here with what you can do to get that Hollywood glow right now, and in sometimes in like what, an hour?
Yeah. That's all it takes.
That's amazing. So tell me about Hermann Wellness. How long have you been doing this? What kind of services do you provide?
So I've been practicing cosmetic integrative medicine for 15 years. And we provide Botox, dermal fillers, laser treatments for skin tightening, as well as cool sculpting to reduce volume in the body and in the chin. There's so many things. I mean, you can actually do injectables to dissolve fat under the chin. We use something called PDO Threads, which are dissolvable sutures that help lift the skin, and all of this is minimally invasive or non-invasive, so that you can go back to work, really no downtime. You
can literally do it on your lunch hour if you wanted to.
Yes, and much safer than surgery.
And it's so amazing, too, the technology is so great these days, where it's...
in the time that I've been doing this, I mean, the technology has evolved dramatically.
I love the fact that it's non-invasive, too, which is amazing. Now, why go to a physician to have these kinds of procedures done?
You know, as the physician of the practice, I sort of lead my team. We do have a nurse practitioner and a physician assistant, but I am closely working with everybody to make sure that the treatments are safe. There are certain things that we will not offer if we do not think they're safe. We have full disclosure to patients about pros and cons before getting started. And my perspective is very much attention to detail. Different people want different things. So, you know, we're really trying to focus on what look my patients are receiving.
Yeah, you want to customize it for
very
them.
much.
All right, well, let's take a look at a little video that you brought with you. And it's of a familiar face. That's Paul from our Fashion Wrap segment. And now tell us what we're looking at here. There's a before and an after in one shot, isn't it?
Yes. So this is Paul after Botox on half his face. See him raising his brow.
Yes. Ah, look at that. You can really, really see the difference.
Yeah, and I'm not sure if he's going to smile or squint, but he also had this area, the crow's feet done.
Crow's feet done.
And that was a dramatic improvement as well.
Yeah, no kidding. So what did you actually do in what areas?
So we did Botox, which relaxes the muscle in the brow and the forehead, and then the crow's feet, we call this. Then we did filler, which adds volume in the cheeks, the lips, and the nasolabial fold, and we call this the marionette line, just to help take away a little bit of shadowing that people get.
And that lasts longer than Botox, doesn't it?
Yes. So dermal fillers can last 1 to 2 years, depending on which one you use. On Paul, we use Juvederm, which lasts a year. The Botox will last 3 to 4 months. And then we also did something called PDO Threads, which are, again, the dissolvable sutures that you can sort of just tunnel along the jaw, just to define the jaw. I mean, with men and aesthetics, the jawline is very important.
Yes. Christine Rose was another of your patients. If we could take a look at her before and after and quickly go through this.
Yes. So with her, she's, I think, raising her brow on one side, so that's the side that's not Botox. So it's the right side.
Yeah, you could really see the difference.
Where the smoothing, and she had some pretty deep lines in her forehead. We did the same type of treatment where we worked on her frown lines, where beforehand she was frowning, and then her crow's feet.
And I'll tell you what, who's in our studio right now. Let's do the big reveal. Ta-da! There they are, Paul and Christine.
Looking wonderful.
Hey, guys, how did this change your lives? What do people tell you now?
I'm going to go first. I have suddenly found myself being hit on again.
Whoa!
That's by people who should not be hitting on me, and I'm like, wow. And then just yesterday, someone guessed my age. 22 years younger than I am.
Look at that. Okay,
so
now that isn't a testimonial. I don't know what is. Christine, how about you?
I had a similar experience at the beach, getting hit on by men much younger than would normally approach me.
There you go.
And people, friends, family, they just think I look a lot younger and fresher.
Wow, wonderful. I'll tell you what, it doesn't get much better than that in terms of an endorsement, does it?
And they both look like themselves. Like, you know, you're not going to get this look of
being
you know, who
overdone.
are you?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
All right. Well, congratulations to you both, and great
Thank you.
job, Dr. Hermann, for sure. And for more information on Dr. Hermann's services, just call the numbers right there on your screen, 813-902-9559 in Tampa, 727-278-3992 in St. Pete. You could also visit her website, drherman.com. And thank you all very much. This was great.
Thanks so
All
much.
right.
Thank you.
And Daytime will be right back. Stay with us.